Well, Mom, look at that ice. My husband told me not to fall. That is a sheet of ice. Can you see that, Mama? That's our neighbor's driveway. We could skate out here. Honey, go over there and skate so Mama can see.
You want to break a hip?
No, she just wants to see how slick it is. See, Mommy? He's sliding on the skating rink. Anyways, there's my Pookie.
The yard's even solid ice, isn't it?
Even the yard is a solid sheet of ice.
Look at that thing crack. There's a few cracks. That's crazy. Look at that.
This is about 6:30 in the morning, Mama. And it is slippery. You can hear the trees crackling.
Bicycle?
No. Well, there's your eyes. We'll come back out when it's more daylight.